friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue the next topic, that's a study of animal type. In that we see the animal, that's a characteristic features of the cockroach. First of all, we see the systematic position of the cockroach, and the second we see the phenomena, that's a interaction with the mankind. So let's continue. The first point, it's about the introduction. The word cockroach, it is originated from Spanish word that is called as the cucaracha. In 1758, Linnaeus had given the name Periplaneta americana to the cockroach. The cockroach is basically the ancient animal. It's an ancient animal, and near about 2600 species are found throughout the world. What about the habit and the habitat where it's present? As the cockroach, it's a omnipresent. Means what? It is present everywhere, all over the world. It prefers the damp and the moist places, survives to live. It is a omnivorous, nocturnal and cursorial. Nocturnal means what? These animals, it is active during the night time, and it's a fast runner. It is a fastest runner, so it is included, or it shows the cursorial adaptation. The second phenomena we see, the systematic position of the cockroach. That's also called as a classification of the cockroach. The cockroach is included in the kingdom Animalia. As the Animalia, what's the characteristic features of the kingdom Animalia? I think all of you know. As there is a absence of the cell wall, and it shows a heterotrophic nutrition. The phylum, it's a arthropoda. What's a significant characteristic of it? That is, the jointed appendages are present. The body, it is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Exoskeleton, it's a thick and it is a chitinous exoskeleton. It is included in the subphylum Mandibulata. Means there is a presence of one or the two pair of antennae and the one pair of mandible. One or the more maxillae is there. It is included in the class Insecta. That is, the head, thorax and abdomen, it's a present, and there is a presence of the three pair of the wings. There is a presence of the three pair of walking legs is there, and the two pair of the wings which is present in the thorax region. As there is a presence of the two pairs of the wings, this it's a present. This is says as the forewings, and the next it says as the hind wings. This forewings, it is a narrow and leathery. The hind wings, it is a broad and the membranous. In cockroach, there is a presence of the chewing type of mouth part, and there is a presence of the cerci. As a genus, it's a Periplaneta. Means the cockroach animal, it's a nocturnal. Straight wings is there, and the body, it is relatively large, flat-ended, and the antenna, it's long. The species is the Americana. Means it is origin, it's in continent of the Americana. Afterward, we see the species of the cockroach. Basically, in India, the cockroach, it's a 4 species found. 4 species of the cockroach, it's found. First species, it's a Periplaneta americana. That is a American cockroach. The second one is a Blatta orientalis. That is a oriental cockroach. The third one is a Blattella germanica. That is a German cockroach. The fourth one, it's a Periplaneta australia. That is a Australian cockroach. The two common Indian species of cockroach, it's the Blatta orientalis and the Periplaneta americana. This is mostly asked for the exam 1 mark question. The next one, we see the interaction with the mankind. The cockroach cause the damage to the household material like the cloth, shoes and the papers. They also eat and destroy the foodstuff. They contaminate food, which gives the typical smell and make it unpalatable. Means we can't eat the food as which is contaminated by the cockroach. As they live in the sewage pipe and the gutter hole, they carry with the harmful pathogen And this pathogen, it is responsible to cause the diseases like the cholera, diarrhea, tuberculosis and the typhoid. The cockroach serves as a part of the food chain. Also, the many amphibians, birds, lizards, rodents prey upon them, making a part of the food chain. They are eaten by a certain group of people in the South America, China, and the Myanmar. The cockroach it is used as an experimental animal in the laboratory and the biological research as they can obtain easily without causing the damage to the ecological balance. Next one we see the control measure of the population of cockroach. The first control measure is maintain the good sanitation. Maintain the good sanitation. Dark and the humid places of kitchen, cupboards, trolleys must be cleaned regularly. Crack and the services and the other such areas must be filled. Accumulation of the garbage at home should be avoided. Keeping the water in the drainage trap. If the drain trap is dry, cockroach frequently enter the home by migrating up from the sewer connection. So, we should always keep the drain trap filled with the water. Chemical control, that is organophosphate, carbamates, pyrethroid, and the boric acid are the efficient poison of cockroach. Various types of formulation are available in market under the various brands. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.